I won first prize in 200 meter and second prize in 100 meter. I prepared something. Let me show you guys. Thank you, everyone.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you, Shubhi. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, jury members, can I move ahead? Okay. Nitanjali, yeah. Hi, Nitanjali. Can we hear from you?
Yes,
Nitanjali,
am I audible?
Yes, yes. Now you're audible. Shall we
Hi,
start?
good afternoon. Yeah, sure.
Okay, go ahead.
Good afternoon, judges. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Nitanjali Paul, and I work as an engineer with an IT firm. But my passion is dancing and writing. Consequently, I'm a published author, the author of the book In Search of the Bridge. And I love dancing. And I am an aspiring YouTuber uploading a lot of dance videos, and I have prepared a dance for today. I believe that dancing and writing helps me to express better, and the more I express, I discover myself more. Thank you.
Nitanjali? The time is over, Nitanjali. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Harry, is it possible for you to put the participant in the spotlight?
I am not the host. The director is.
Yes, I've done that, Chitra. That is on the speaker view.
But
yeah, speaker view is on, Chitra. Even I am able to see that. Otherwise, you
Chitra,
can
you
do the
have to on your
changes.
personal settings, yeah.
Yeah, okay, done.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So next is Kinjal, but before Kinjal, I'd like to announce the further sequence. It would be Mausami, Karishma, Mohana, Amrita, and Sushmita. Okay. So Kinjal is next. Hi, Kinjal. Can we hear from you?
Hello, hello everyone. Good afternoon.
Kinjal, there is a lot of echo. तो वो echo की वजह से कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. I feel. Is it same with the jury or is it the problem that only I am
Yeah,
facing?
there is echo. I think she is using two devices maybe.
Okay.
और Kinjal, आप प्लीज चेक कर सकती हैं आपके ऑडियो में बहुत echo आ रहा है.
So after some time I will give auditions. I will change place.
You could change your location, Kinjal. Probably you're, in an empty
The room
That
is
is why this
echoing.
echo is happening.
Okay.
Probably
your
you should
time,
come
don't worry,
outside
we'll
in
move
a hall. Okay.
आप time लीजिए. आप I'll put you in another spot. Don't worry. You can take your time to figure out the location. ठीक है?
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay, आप अपने आप को म्यूट कर लीजिए प्लीज.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, next will be Mausami. Hi, Mausami.
Hello, everybody. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So, shall we start, Mausami?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible. शुरू करें?
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Maushmi Chaudhary, and I'm from Kolkata, the city of Joy. I work in a book publishing house, and I love gardening, traveling, going out with friends, dressing up. There are a lot of things that I love. But the one thing that I'm truly passionate about is looking after the strays. And honestly speaking, I love animals more than humans. And recently I started a YouTube channel called My Pack and I hope to show our life with them. And my aim in doing so is to encourage people to adopt homeless dogs and cats and also grow sympathy, more sympathy towards them because they all need love and a loving home. Now, coming back to the reason why I am here is that I want an extraordinary life for myself. And I believe that no amount of security is worth the suffering of an average life. Change the routine that has killed their dreams. So this is me fulfilling my dreams, giving myself a chance to something extraordinary and beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mausami. So let's just move to Karishma. Hi, Karishma. Can we hear from you? Okay, I think her connection got weak. She's not there in the thing. Okay, let me just move to Mohana.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. So let's get started. Are we ready?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, you're perfectly audible.
Okay.
Start.
Life is all about living in the present and finding in the smallest of things. Good day, everyone. My name is Mohana Sindhu Koppaka. I'm second-year student pursuing my BTech in Information and Technology. Hailing from an ordinary middle-class family from usual Andhra village, I'm really fortunate to have very supportive. As a result, my arms have always been open up to try out multiple talents. I'm very passionate about dancing in both traditional and Western style. Sports is one of my strongest suits. In fact, I am a national level swimmer, athlete, high jump player, and a state level basketball player. Apart from these, occasionally I fancy a little bit of fashion designing too. And I am very fond of photography and drawings. Here are some of my clicks and drawings. These are some of my clicks, ma'am. And these are some of my drawings. And these are all medals that I have got for the sports. To tell more about myself, I prefer to be honest over impressive. Thereby, my friend circle is rather small. Moreover, I believe every event in our life has a meaning to it. So the only way moving forward is to get stronger. And lastly, for the motive behind my participation, I wish to show people that we can achieve anything when we put our heart and soul into it. Thank you.
I
Thank
really
you so
love
much.
that you prefer honesty over impressing. So that's a good take for even us. Thank you, Mohana.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so I guess Kinjal is ready. Kinjal, can we hear something from you?
Yes, I can hear you. Is it better?
It's a little better, I guess, but when you will speak consistently, वो echo फिर से आएगा. That is the problem.
Okay. So is it now possible to show a talent and introduction?
Jury members, is it better for you guys, or should I ask her to change the location?
Can I ask her something? If Kirti and Smita allow me?
Please.
I can see that from that empty room, you've come to this empty room. Are you away from your family or something as such? If there is a limitation, it's okay. You go ahead.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Hello everyone,
If you
good
can,
afternoon.
yeah, okay, go ahead.
Yeah, hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Kinjal Patel. I am from Vadodara city, Gujarat, and my height is 5'3" and I completed study in computer engineering, Bachelor of Computer Engineering from North Maharashtra University. Singing and listening to music are my hobbies, and I have also do the work in IT sector for 3 years, and I also participated in Europe Fashion Week as a ramp model, and I was a finalist in Mr. and Miss Gujarat 2020. And now I'm going to sing a song, and so please, I will go ahead. La 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 तू है वही जिसने अपना कहा, तू है जहाँ मैं हूँ वहाँ, अब तो ये जिया तेरे बिन है सदा। ओ मिल जाए इस तरह दो लहरें जिस तरह, ओ मिल जाए इस तरह दो लहरें जिस तरह, फिर हो ना जुदा, हाँ ये वादा रहा। ला 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 मैं तू है गीत मेरा।
Kinjal, that would be it.
Yes.
So sorry, but the time has lapsed. Thank you so much. That was
Thank you.
great. Okay, so we shall move ahead. The jury, if you give me a go ahead, I shall move
Yes.
proceed. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next would be, the sequence would be Amrita, Sushmita, Harpreet, Ashvi, Poonam, Neelam, and then Janvi. And then of course we move ahead. So Amrita would be next. Hi Amrita, can we hear something from you?
Hi ma'am, am I audible?
Not Amritpal, Amrita. Yeah, Amrita, yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
Hello.
Amrita, can you hear me?
Yeah. Hello.
Okay, great. I can hear you.
Good
You are
afternoon,
audible.
ma'am.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Amrita. How are you?
Fine, I'm fine. How are you, ma'am?
I am good. Shuru kare? Let's start.
Yes.
Okay,
Good
go ahead.
afternoon, all. I'm Amrita. I'm from Kerala, Thrissur. Currently, I'm doing my degree, and I think the world of crafts are memorizing, and personally, I love spending time doing craft works. I like to write poems and observing nature and write about them. Now, can I sing a song? I will sing a song written by Murugan Katagada. Renu ke ni ragarenu kinavinde neelakkadambin paragarenu. Renu ke ni ragarenu kinavinde neelakkadambin paragarenu. പിരിയുമ്പോഴേതോ നനഞ്ഞ കൊമ്പിൽ നിന്നു നിലതെറ്റി വീണ രണ്ടിലകൾ നമ്മൾ. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, Amrita. Thank you so much. Okay, so we shall move ahead to Sushmita.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hi, Sushmita. I am good. Thank you for asking. Shall we start?
Yes.
Go ahead.
First of all, good afternoon to all the judges, and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. So, my name is Sushmita. I'm 22 years old, and I've graduated with a degree in business administration, and I belong to the heritage city Mysore, Karnataka. And speaking about my profession, I'm a content moderator, and by passion, I'm a singer. I'm a trained classical singer. And I'm a person who doesn't really like to stay stagnant or saturated at any point of time. So I always try indulging myself in learning new things that come up my way. And coming to my hobbies, I really like singing, dancing, and trying new recipes from the cookbook at times. And the reason I'm here, I honestly believe that I believe in the saying that find a way or be one. And that's one reason which has got me to such a beautiful platform. And I want to thank everyone for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much. So I have presented a small song I've prepared. So I would like to sing. Okay. तुम्हारी तस्वीर के सहारे मौसम कई गुजारे मौसमी ना समझो पर इश्क को हमारे नजरों के सामने में आती नहीं.
Sushmita, unfortunately, I'll have to cut you in between. The time has lapsed. But thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, jury, can we move forward?
Yes.
Thank you. So next would be Harpreet. Hi, Harpreet.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. Thank you for asking. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
It's not difficult to achieve anything in life if you put your mind and soul to it. With this rightly said, hi everybody, a very good afternoon. My name is Harpreet Kapoor. I stay in Pune. Professionally, I'm an MBA into marketing and finance, and I work as a brand manager. Apart from this, I totally believe in achieving my goals with two keys in life that I follow, which is trust and passion, and of course, hard work followed. I truly believe that if down the line I'm able to inspire at least 1% of population to do good and achieve something in life, I think that would be the greatest achievement of myself and a gift to me. Apart from this, I consider this platform as an opportunity to bring out the best in myself, to build myself as a brand who can actually be influential for people to believe in me. On talking about my hobbies, I really love to sing. I love to do crafts, dancing, and I write. Talking about singing a bit, I love to sing in different languages. Currently, Korean is one language that I'm following. I would like to end this with a song that I've translated in English and a mixture of Korean. I hope you like it. Goes like, I'm the one I should love in this world when I'm in love. The precious soul of mine, ije kidara. So I love me, jongu jo khedo.
Okay, Harpreet, I'll have to cut you in between, but we have left with the time. But thank you so much. That was great.
I think, Harry, we should have a talent day for them because there are so many singers and all are good.
Yeah, I agree. I agree to that. I agree to that. So next would be Sukriti. Okay, I guess she's not here. Ashvi, can we hear something from you? Hi.
Hello, Harry ma'am. Good afternoon.
Hi. Good afternoon. Are we ready?
Yeah,
Okay, go ahead.
yeah. I'm audible?
Yes, yes, you're perfectly audible.
Okay. गालिब ने बुलंदी का सफर मुझको सिखाया, इकबाल ने आईनाए हक मुझको दिखाया, मोमिन ने सजाई मेरे ख्वाबों की हवेली, मोमिन ने सजाई मेरे ख्वाबों की हवेली, मैं मीर की हमराज हूँ गालिब की सहेली. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and all the judges. My name is Aishvi Soni. I am an MBA student by profession, and my heart and soul always craving for acting, singing, and mimicry. I was awarded by Indian National Theatre in 2018. As a woman, I believe everyone has an infinite power. We just have to enlighten them. And I'm here to represent my culture. I want to accelerate my talent and goal. And the ultimate goal of the life is to just be a good human being and compassionate in the life. Thank you so much. Namaste.
Ashvi, can you mimic me?
Ma'am, I can do a mimicry of Daya Bhabhi.
No, me.
Oh, no, ma'am. Actually, मैंने आपको उतना observe नहीं करा है. So, can I, ma'am?
Harry
Can
को?
I do? Can
Harry?
I do?
Harry, ma'am, Harry का करो. Harry, sorry, I'm.
It's okay.
मैम मैं दया भाभी की कर सकती हूँ क्या? कंगना रनौत, दया भाभी is the best version.
Go ahead.
Daya is
Okay. आप सबको पता है टप्पू के पापा को खिचड़ी कढ़ी बहुत पसंद है. वो क्या करते हैं पता है आपको? ऐसे खिचड़ी का ढेर बनाते हैं, फिर उसमें गड्ढा करते हैं, फिर उसमें कढ़ी, घी, ककड़ी, पापड़, टमाटर ये सब डाल के ऐसे चम्मच से घुमा के गप्पा गप्पी जाते हैं बोलो. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Yeah, I guess Harsha and Ashvi have nailed the, mimicry part. I think it's one of the, it's a very unique talent, I feel. But yeah, I would love to see someone mimicking me one day. Please do it if you can. Harsha, later. Okay, so next would be Poonam.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Poonam. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. I'm good.
Okay, shall we start?
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Am I audible properly?
Okay. Yes, you're audible. Go ahead.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Poonam Lalwani, an engineering student from Kutch. I love to interact with people and know their stories, explore the thought process behind because it is what attracts me the most. I was always an outgoing kid in college and school as well. I developed my skills in theater, dancing, anchoring, and most importantly, fashion. Fashion is what empowers and inspires me the most. It gives me freedom and comfort at the same time. To grow and learn more about it, I created an Instagram page named as Poonam's Nutshell, and now I have a family of 3,500 plus people over there. Now, I will share my talent by doing a monologue. This monologue, it's a rageous reaction of a girl who had just been raped, and instead of helping her, people have been blaming her. बंद करो ये खोखली बातें करना. जब कोई धर्म के नाम पर तोड़ जाए, जब किसी की बेटी को कोई बीच सड़क पर छोड़ जाए, तब तो कुछ नहीं करते. बस घर में बैठकर देश की हालत को कोसते रहेंगे सब. बड़ी बड़ी बातें करेंगे, लेकिन जब करने का समय है, तब सब के सब बस खुद के बारे में सोचेंगे. अरे जिंदा लाश बन चुके हो सब, लाश. तुम में और उन गली के कुत्तों में फर्क ही क्या है, क्योंकि भौंकते तो वो भी हैं कुछ बुरा होता हुआ देखकर. Thank you, ma'am.
That was very heartwarming, I must say.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Poonam. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.